There are many barriers to effective treatment, some of which are price, some of which are distances to the health facilities, some of which are non-availability of antimalarials and diagnostics in public health facilities. So we are trying to involve the private sector, especially drug shops, which are nearer in the communities. In Uganda, 72% of the population are within 5 kilometers of a health facility. Most people, about 80%, seek consultation at the drug shops.
So in this project we have two groups of registered drug shops. A group that are selling malaria treatment based on the signs and symptoms of the customers that come into their drug shops. This is a way that diagnosis has been made for the last few decades. And then we have another group of drug shops who we have trained to use malaria rapid diagnostic tests and therefore to only sell anti-malarial drugs to those patients who have a positive test.
What they've done before is people come up and say, I think I have malaria, give me an anti-malarial. Now the idea is somebody comes up and says, I think I have malaria. Now the drug shop owner can say, I will test you for it. If it's negative, then the drug shop owner can sell something different. If it's positive, he can focus or target his treatment to that person instead of just dishing out an anti-malaria.
The anti-malarial testing was very popular. So it was popular amongst the drug shops themselves, who had a professional pride in being able to provide a diagnostic service and felt that they were part of the health system. And it was popular amongst the customers as well, who perceived that the treatment services at registered drug shops had improved. And more significantly, we found that actually the adherence to the test results was very high, and the number of ACTs which were sold was reduced by approximately 40%, so that the ACT treatments were much better targeted to those patients that had a positive malaria test, with less than 5% of people who were test negative getting ACT.
The most important thing is the audience back home at the local, at the district level and the national level, how we shall use these results to discuss a mechanism of scaling this intervention.